Hey guys, it's Sammy, and today I'm high school on Roblox. Yeah, and I'm doing English class right now. I'm doing questions, and actually I was the first one in this row, and then these girls just came over and said hi, and that's pretty random. No, I'm gonna miss it. Oh, I knew it. But that one looks right though. That one actually looks right. But I'm on level 16. Well, that's kind of good, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to... I'm actually hungry. I want a frappuccino. If you paper. Well, actually, don't stand up in this lift, otherwise you die or get lost. Or it throws you out the world. This lift is. Yeah. Here. Are you sticking the... Are you sticking? Nicking? No, I don't want to go into after class. Actually, I have how to play the piano. But I actually... Sound! Because my character just lagged. I actually turned off the sound. But yeah. But, okay, that's enough. I turned off my sound. I don't want to... Why is my character lagging? Yeah, that was kind of... Anyway, that will wrap it up here. Hope you had a nice time watching this. Don't forget to smash that like button. And also hit that button, yeah. And I'll leave Becca's YouTube channel down below in this description. And you don't like Roblox, or you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. Like, I'm new to this, so don't judge me. Anyway, bye!